And
How are you?
so finally, this is it.
Hi Pinky. Hi Pinky.
Hi, Pinks.
Hi. Hi Pinky. What's up?
Hi Ludo, what's up?
What's up, Pinka?
What's up, Pinky?
Hi V2.
What's up, princess? Hey, Pinky.
Hi, Pinka.
Hi Pinky.
Pinky Vishnani.
What comes in my mind while listening her name?
Pinks, the party type personality.
Pinks, okay.
Good morning.
Laundry.
Hosiery. Pinky Vada Pav.
Adventurous.
Pinky. Hotness, overloaded.
Gulabbo.
Activa, पुरानी वाली उसकी.
Hideout.
Hotness.
पिंकी की फैमिली याद आती है मेरे को आधे टाइम.
Special memory with her.
Not many special memories.
Her birthday party.
I don't have any special, I have many special memories with her. First one I can say is the very first time, the way I met her.
My birthday. So many memories with you since the school time. Saw her for the first time. She was high, drunk, dancing, partying and all. Your basketball matches, I still remember. You're bunking the classes.
College times.
College memories. First day of the college, last day of the college, convocation.
She was totally down.
You know, Pooja, it's your birthday.
Cake, especially the wheat cake.
Dance practice, annual shows with her.
और वो wheat cake काफ़ी अच्छा था. मतलब वो लाइफ में नहीं भूल सकता जो पिंकी ने बनाया था.
Dozens of memories with you. The main one or the most hilarious and the adventurous one was my Brio ride.
पहली बार जब मिला था I met her like याद नहीं है. कॉलेज में देखा था उसको रोते हुए देखा था. First time I saw her, it was very nice.
Yeah, when we laughed together, especially college time. सालवी की गाड़ी चोरी कर दी थी.
Her birthday night outs, especially her birthday gift.
सालवी के लिए स्पेशली लिजर्ड रखा था वॉल पे. So maybe it is all related in the college time, but still the endless laughter zone with us.
I guess it's you, me, Silky, Anku and Shalu sitting in Pizza Hut. Okay, and for the first time I meet Shalu and Anku as well. And that was one of the most fabulous evening we had. I mean way back in 11th standard.
Bombay trip. It was a very instant program, but it was the most happening trip I've ever had.
फर्स्ट ईयर में जब अंकु, पिंकी, मैं, हरी हम लोग नाइट स्टे भी had, मस्ती करते थे वो सब.
बहुत सारी मेमोरीज है उसके साथ. स्कैट की कैंटीन में हमारे ग्रुप का एक बंदा है अमन बाबा. एंड अचानक अमन का फ़ोन आता है लंच ब्रेक में कि आज स्कैट में कुछ पंगा हुआ है. मैं भागा गया. मैंने देखा तो भाई साहब किसी बंदी के साथ बैठा हुआ था. एंड देयर वाज द फर्स्ट टाइम व्हेन आई मेट हर. उसके बाद सेकंड मीटिंग थी मेरी सीसी के अंदर, जिसमें पिंका ने मुझे कंप्लेन किया था कि तू बहुत कम बोलता है, कुछ बोलता है क्यों नहीं तू. फेसबुक पे टेक्स्ट था हमारा. उसके बाद वो दिन और आज का दिन है. मैंने सिर्फ बोला और उसने सिर्फ सुना है.
Okay, there are many good qualities about her. I'm like really blank because everyone's like staring at me.
The Pinks herself.
Pinky is Pinky, she's very funky.
She's very calm. She's very patient. A little bit more understanding towards things.
A complete package, you must say.
She is caring by nature. She is supportive. She fights a lot. Quality. She screams a lot too.
शी इज़ वेरी केयरिंग और काफ़ी ध्यान रखती है लोगों का. और स्पेशली जब कोई इमोशनल होता है तो सबसे पहले भागती है.
जुगाड़ू, संस्कारी a bit, और तो कुछ है ही नहीं उसके अंदर.
बॉस बाटा से कब बेब बनी ये समझ नहीं आया. ओके, रियली हॉट. दोस्तों पे जान छिड़कती है. कुछ भी पंगा हो, कोई भी काम हो, कुछ भी हो, शी इज़ ऑलवेज देयर. ऑफ कोर्स द डार्लिंग ऑफ एवरीवन.
Very congenial.
Motivated, positive.
Pinky is जुगाड़ू. Pinky is sweet, kind, caring, fully loaded with अटरंग शटरंग मस्तियाँ उसकी.
There's nothing wrong in her as far as I remember how much ever I've met her. The best part is she's always ready to help you whenever you need her.
Your place can never ever be taken by anybody else.
Okay, she's been one really interesting part of my life because I still remember in our whole group, it started with me, Pink, Saman, and somewhere she was the root of everyone. She was the girl who always wanted to capture everyone together. So this is really nice of her. And I don't know after she goes what is going to happen, man.
It was very nice meeting you, Pinks. I've heard a lot about you. You're too beautiful. You were too good. You made me feel so comfortable when you were along. You were the first friend whom I met, and it was really nice being with you. You're too sweet.
Pinky is independent. She is always self-dependent, never dependent on anybody else. She can be the ultimate problem solution for everybody else's problem.
The way she cares and the way she listens to me, that's completely.
Life without her would be. It's not me only, it's almost everybody. Life without Pinky is that no life.
जब भी मैं इमोशनल हो रहा होता हूँ या तो शी इज़ ऑलवेज देयर टू सपोर्ट मी.
पिंकी है पैसे वालों की. मैंने फर्स्ट टाइम डबलिंग पिंकी के साथ ही किया था एंड चलाते चलाते एक ऑटो वाला आ गया था. मैं रुक गई थी हंसने के लिए बिकॉज आई जस्ट वांटेड टू लाफ एंड ऑटो वाला मेरे सामने खड़ा था.
जब वो होती है तब इट फील्स अ बिट लाइवली, द एटमॉस्फेयर बिकम्स लाइट. अगर वो लाइफ में नहीं होती तो ये ग्रुप जो बना है उसमें थोड़ा बोर्डम सा आ जाता.
I guess one of the most special thing because she's one of the most important part of my life. The reason behind कि अगर मैं शुरुआत से देखूँ बचपन से लेके अभी तक तो एक इकलौती दोस्ती बची है इसके ये और सिल्की के अलावा और कोई नहीं है जो इतने छोटे से जानता है मुझे. So like since 4th standard, 5th standard, it's just Pinky and Silky. So Pinky becomes one of the most special person because of that.
अंकुश वेडिंग. रेड एंड के बाहर से अपने जब जा रहे थे उधर वो छोटू भाई जो था अपना, जब पिंकी जो उस टाइम इरिटेट हुई थी और जो गालियाँ दी थी, that was superb.
Whenever in my bad times or I'm feeling high, low, whatever, Pinky है जो मेरे माइंड और मूड को स्टेबल कर देती है at the end of the day.
And the only regret that I'll have is that I had asked her to, you know, if we could just try to smooch a French kiss or whatever. But जब तक हमारा वो मौका आया, I got the news that she got engaged. That was the worst moment of my life. Pinky, I really miss you. Just once before you get married, if we could just, you know, I'll really make it special for you. And
Bye Pinks, I love you the most. Wish you all the happiness, all the success, all the growth in life, and I love you lots and lots.
Okay, so on our behalf, we would like to say you congratulations first of all, and good luck for the new phase of the life. Somewhere I can understand because even we are going through that initial stage.
Pinky, here it is, me. This is your wedding month, and on your wedding, I'm really excited for your wedding. I'm the happiest for you because you're getting married to a very nice person.
Best of luck for your future life.
उसकी शादी हो रही है, कुछ बोलना चाहेगा?
Good question. The question hurts.
बस we'll miss you Pinky, we'll miss you a lot, we love you.
Bye Pinky, we're happy that you're going and getting married finally. I think since 5 years we're celebrating your last birthday and this birthday was finally your last birthday. I hope you remember this. आखिरी birthday हर 5 साल तक.
Just get married, give ugly fat babies.
Okay, so sweetie, there are a lot of things. Been a lot of time that we haven't catch up. Okay, lot of reasons behind that. I have been running around a lot of things. But nonetheless, and it will be in future. I am not saying कि boss नहीं next time से future में तेरे साथ हमेशा रहूँगा या something. लेकिन nonetheless, whatever, you still remain my princess. I still love you a lot. You still remain my first crush, and all the best for your wedding.
Yeah, I wish her all the best, and I know Rishi is a very nice guy, and I'm very jealous of Rishi.
I mean, stay positive, motivated, be happy as always, and I wish you all the best for your future. उसके बाद जो भी happy married life, and don't change yourself. You are good what you are.
Wish you a very happy married life.
Pinky, I wish you all the luck, and all your dreams have already come true as you're getting married in Pune. I mean, what else would you wish for? And yeah, I'll see you there in Pune. Yeah, Pinky, if you remember, you asked me to sing a song for you, so here it is. You're the light, you're the night, you're the color of my blood. You're the cure, you're the pain, you're the only thing I wanna touch. Never knew that it could mean so much, so much. Sorry if I skip the lyric. I'll let you set the pace, 'cause I'm not thinking straight. My head's spinning around, I can't see clear no more. What are you waiting for? Love me like you do, love me like you do. Touch me like you do, touch me like you do. Wow me like you do, wow me like you do. What are you waiting for?
भाई गुलाबो याद है 10th स्टैंडर्ड के अंदर एक सॉन्ग कंपोज किया था, फर्स्ट सॉन्ग था, उसको रिकॉर्ड भी किया था विल्सी के पास में, शालू क्रश भी हुआ था सुन के, राइट? सो ओके दैट्स फॉर यू। तेरे लिए मेरी जान है जाने जा, तेरे लिए मैं नहीं हूँ बेवफा, मेरे लफ्ज़ों में हो तुम, मेरी बातों में हो तुम, मेरी सांसों में हो तुम, ओ जाने जाना, ओ जाने जा, ओ जाने जाना, ओ जाने जाना।
So Pinks, bye bye and wish you a very fabulous life ahead.
So yeah, I'm gonna miss you a lot.
कभी भी बोर या कभी भी हो ना तो 9909091667 0 लगाना मत भूलना। अभी भी कंपनी फाइट्स कर रही है एंड आई विल मिस यू अ लॉट। बाय बाय, टेक केयर।
बाय बाय पिंकी, होप वी विल सी यू सून। तू बार बार सूरत आती रहे और हम तुमसे मिलते रहे। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर बीइंग इन माय लाइफ।
आई विल मिस यू and the time spent with you. That's it. Bye.
And take care. Bye bye.
मेरे दिल लिवर जिगर में हो तुम, वक्त बेवक्त आए वो फीवर हो तुम, अब तो लाइफ में फॉरएवर हो तुम। बाय।
We love you. We love you. We love you. We love you. We love you.